All right, so today was interesting. This is gonna be a short vlog, but again, vlogging because I said I'm going to vlog the process, and that is what is most important. All right, so nothing super exciting today, besides I really thought out an idea for a new book. So while I'm kind of just waiting for some edits from my editor on the second book in the contract, I've been trying to explore some ideas of what a new book would look like. So if you have been watching, you know that I've been also trying to figure out how to write a middle grade novel, which has been going well, I think. But I also have been dabbling with ideas of what another picture book could look like. And I've done a few things that I feel are okay, but they don't strike me as good quality. So today I did a little soul searching and I feel like I found something. So now I'm starting to figure out how to structure that and what does that structure look like for me. So basically I found kind of like an idea or a topic, so to speak. And then from there, I try to think about an experience that related to that topic. So for me, I took that experience and then I tried to develop it into some sort of story structure. And again, if you have been watching these videos, you know that structure is something that I struggle with. So right now I'm figuring out the story structure, but within that, the content, because this book does have it will have some nonfiction content that may not show up necessarily in the book, but there will be like back matter pages in the back that kind of help you understand a little bit more of what you're looking at in the pictures and through the words. So with that, I'm still right now figuring out what that's going to look like on paper and what each scene will look like. I'm really excited about this idea, a lot more than what I previously sent to my agent, which again, I think it was lyrical, but I don't think it packed like a punch. I also think it's been done before. So for this one, I do feel like it's a little bit different. I think it punches more in regards to like it hits home. And I always go back to what a friend of mine said. Just make sure that when you're writing for the kids. And that has always been in my mind. And as I'm writing this one, it's definitely for the kids. Those kids back home in Preston, Nova Scotia. And then hopefully within all that, people can relate to it and want to pick it up. So that's where I'm at for today. I did have an interview. I think it went okay. It was nice just to talk about education for a little bit because I hadn't really been able to do that with anyone because I've been in this room for the majority of the year so far working. But that's it. Until next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and